it's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. So I just got the new Colourpop Whatever palette from their fall collection. So I'm gonna use that to do a fall inspired makeup look today. So let's see what we come up with. So now that we're finished with the brows, ready to move on to the eye makeup. So I'm gonna take this color, pass it on over here. Next color I'm gonna take is this deep burgundy over here called Miss Brightside.
Knockout. You win.
Just packing until I get the color payoff that I want. It's my first time getting any like eyeshadow palettes from Colourpop. I've gotten plenty of their lipsticks, but that's pretty much it. I'm liking it so far. I'm taking that first color, pass it on, and going back outside to diffuse those edges, kinda. Alright, so let's repeat that on the other eye. I'm feeling like I might want to do a cut crease, but I also always do a cut crease, so I don't know. I wish y'all were here so y'all could tell me what y'all think I should do. Whichever one I decide, if you want to see the opposite, let me know in the comments. So if I do a cut crease and you want to see halo, let me know. If I do halo and you want to see a cut crease, put it down below in the comments. So let me try something different since I'm playing around with new products. Let me try something different and do a halo. So I have some concealer on this flat brush here. So I'm just gonna drag it down, straight down the middle of my eyelid. So using this flat brush, I'm going to take this nice little shimmery color right here in the middle, and pop that all over the center where we just placed the concealer. Let's pack this glitter on. Oh, this is so pretty. That's cute. But we're gonna fix these little edges because that's not cute, but the color is cute. It's coming together. It's coming. Ooh, I'm loving this. This might be my new favorite thing. Y'all gonna get tired of seeing it. And so back to Mr. Brightside, I'm going to clean up the outer rim of this because I got a little lot messy. And that's already looking better. Okay, I guess that's good for now. We'll revisit the eyes after we finish the face. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me and 355 Coconut. That's pretty much what I use on a day-to-day basis. It's my favorite drugstore foundation. I don't try anything else because it works. Taking the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in Caramel, I'm going to highlight. and just kind of drag that up so that I can sharpen up this corner of my eye makeup.
Knockout. You win.
And there's nothing on this brush. I'm just dusting away the powder. Look at that. Revisiting the eyes, I'm going to pass along the lighter color we used under our brow to go under my lower lash line. And then doing the same thing with the Miss Bright Side, the darker color that we used. Highlighting using my Wet n Wild crown of my canopy. And you can highlight as much or as little as you like. I don't feel like doing the absolute most today, but I do want this to pop because I'm gonna try to get some good pictures in of this look. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. And all of that will be down below in the description bar so that you can check me out on the gram when I'm not here on YouTube. I'm into a nude lip nowadays, so I'm just gonna keep it simple and use this Nameless lip gloss. I'm thinking it's from like the beauty supply store. So I'm gonna go and do my wing liner and my eyelashes off camera because I am not talented enough to sit here and try to pretend like I do it well for y'all. I don't. So when I finish with that, I'll be back and we'll cue the slow-mos and see this finished look. Okay, so I'm back. I decided not to do the wing liner, so I popped on these lashes. These lashes are Worth a Milli by Rich Girl Lash. I'll leave her contact information down below in the description box, but this is what we're working with. And nothing in this tutorial costs more than $20. I think the most expensive thing I used was the palette for $16. So this is a nice little baddie on a budget look.
Knockout. You win.
So if you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment down below so I know what you guys want to see from me. You want to see more makeup, less hair, some of both? What do you guys want to see on my channel? Share it with somebody. Subscribe, please, if you aren't. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.